Here's how to
NJZ
or
NJZ
in the style of their track.
NJZ.
Yeah, the song's also called New Jeans. This is a UK garage style track, so we're going to use drums that consist of a kick, a snare, which is layered with a clap, an open hat, and a closed hat. Make sure to offset the start time of notes to give that swing effect. Now we're adding chords with layers. Lots and lots of layers. Now here's where things get really interesting. These chords do not fit in a typical Western major or minor scale. We're technically starting in E minor, but you'll notice some of these notes don't belong in that scale. We're using a technique called modal interchange, which allows us to shift from E minor to E major. This is how it would sound in E minor, and this is how it sounds with the modal interchange. For all of these presets, I used Grain X4 and Analog Lab. Grain X4 is currently 50% off to only $49 and linked in the description. Arp time. Let's arpeggiate our chord. This simply means to play the notes of the chords one by one. Then we have an 808, which plays the root notes of the chords. This specific 808 is playing a Jersey club rhythm. Now let's switch up the bass line and take a sub bass preset. This is the sound I used, again from Grain X4. We're then going to add a lead melody. This can play any notes in the scale that we're using. And that's how you make a beat for
NJZ
or
NJZ.
whichever one it is. I hope you all learned something in this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.